Bismillah Rahman Rahim. There are two types of abdominal striae. Number one is pink color, and number two is purple. Pink color abdominal striae is caused by simply pregnancy. It is noted during pregnancy only, and purple color is a sign of there is excess of cortisol level in the blood. There are two reasons. Number one is if there is used too much steroids, it can cause purple color of a abdominal striae, which can be due to steroids, or there is a syndrome known as Cushing syndrome. When there is STH level is high, it causes to increase the level of cortisol in the blood, and if there is adrenal gland tumor or mass which secrete due to which secretion of cortisol level in the blood is high. So in this video I have discussed abdominal striae. There are two types. One is pink and another is purple. If you noted, if you will not pink color striae, it means you should